What does a 10-year track record actually look like in the online world? Think about that for a moment. Every single day, when you open your social media feeds, you are bombarded with the next big thing, the latest secret scam, the brand new digital loophole, the flash in the pan promises that claim you can build immense wealth overnight with zero effort. But let me ask you a serious question. Where are those exact opportunities 2 years from now? Where are they 5 years from now? The reality of the digital space is that it moves incredibly fast. But unfortunately, most of what you see out there disappears just as fast as it arrives. People are left starting over again and again because hype does not pay the bills over the long term. Stability does, consistency does. And today, on this Freedom Friday, we are going to look past the noise. We are going to look at what actually it takes to build a secure, verifiable, and unshakable financial foundation that pays out month after month, year after year, decade after decade. Happy Freedom Friday, everybody. It's so incredible great to have you here with me today. If you are joining me live right now, please drop a comment, tell me where you are tuning in from, and let me know how your week has been. A special shout out to my regular viewers, Peter, Cheryl, Bella, and all the others. I really do appreciate your support. And if you are watching on the replay, type #replay in the comments below. I check every single comment personally, and I would love to give you a proper shout out later. For those who are new to my channel or joining me as a guest today, a special, very warm welcome to you too. Now, my name is Lynette Badenhorst, broadcasting to you live from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa. For the past 10 plus years, my mission has been helping corporate professionals, business owners, and everyday people change their financial future. I help people just like you create real long-term recurring income online. And we do this without the traditional headaches. No selling products, no keeping stock in the garage, no pushing or forcing things on people who don't want them. Instead, I guide people through a powerful financial platform that allows them to build a genuine asset, one that helps them reduce stress, break free from debt, and take back complete control of their time and their lives. Now, before we dive deep into today's topic, I want to make sure you get immediate access to a brand new resource I've just put together just for you. It's called the Asset-Based Business Blueprint. This guide breaks down the exact logical framework of how this sustainable model works. You can find it right now at www.lynettebadenhorst.com/asset. I spell my name LINNETTEBADENHORST/asset. If you want to grab this blueprint free of charge, simply type the word asset in the comments right now, whether you are live or on the replay. My system will make sure that you get it. But take the moment to type asset right now there while we wait for a few more people to log on. But welcome to our regular viewers who return every single Friday. It's wonderful to see your names popping up on my screen. As our guests, I hope you walk away today with practical, valuable insight that give you the confidence to make smart decisions for your future. But let's talk about the world we are currently living in. Most of my audience consists of working professionals between the ages of 27 and 60. If you fall into that bracket, you know exactly how volatile the traditional workspace has become. Inflation is rising. The cost of living seems to climb every single month. And the old corporate promise, the idea that you can work faithfully for 40 years and simply hope you have enough to live comfortably until the end, is breaking down. Because of this, intelligent professionals are actively looking for alternative ways to secure their financial future. They look online. But when you look online, what do you find? You find a digital Wild West. You find trading schemes that require you to risk your hard-earned capital. You find cryptocurrencies projects that double in value on Tuesday and crash to zero on Thursday. You find e-commerce trends that require you to spend thousands of rands on advertising before you can even make a single cent profit. It's exhausting. And for a professional who value logic, security, and structure, it feels completely unsafe. Why is there so much instability in the digital world? Because most online opportunities are built on transactional income. They rely on you constantly finding the next customer, making the next sale, or hitting the next trend. If you stop working for a week, the income stops. If the trend changes, the income stops. That isn't a business. That is just a high-stress job that happened to run from your laptop. When my husband and I experienced the corporate world shifting beneath our feet years ago, we realized something vital. We didn't need another job. We needed an asset. An asset is something you focus on building once, and then it continues to pay you repeatedly because it's built on a solid, permanent foundation. So let's get back to our main question. What does true consistency look like? In our business system, consistency isn't a theory, it's a documented reality. As of right now, the system I am part of has achieved 124 consecutive months of monthly recurring payouts to people who have built their tracks. Let that number sink in for a second. 124 months. That is over 10 full years of uninterrupted, unshakable stability. Think about what has happened in the world over the past 124 months. We have lived through global economic shifts. We have seen massive changes in local regulations. We have navigated a global pandemic that shut down traditional brick and mortar businesses worldwide. We have watched currencies fluctuate and market swings wildly. Yet, throughout every single one of those 124 months, the system did not skip a beat. Month after month, the recurring income was processed and paid. Why? Because the platform is not built on hype, speculation, or passing trends. it is built on a compliant, regulated, hybrid financial structure that utilizes everyday services people already use and value. When you look at a track record like that, the skepticism starts to fade away. As a professional, you don't want to risk your reputation or your precious spare time on a gamble. You want to know that if you invest an hour or two a day into building something, that system will be standing next year, 5 years from now, and 10 years from now. That is what a 10-year track record gives you. Peace of mind. It proves that the model is sustainable, that the math works, and that the foundation is rock solid. Let's break down how asset-based business actually operates and why it provides this level of security. In a traditional business or corporate job, your income is linear. Time equals money. Think about the standard formula we are all taught. Time equals money. If you want more money, what do you have to do? You must trade more of your time. You take on a second shift. You work late nights. You sacrifice your weekends. But here's the trap. You only have 24 hours in a day. That means your income is capped by the clock. If you don't show up to the office, or if you don't sell that specific product this month, your income is exactly zero. You are constantly starting from scratch at the beginning of every single month. But with an asset-based system, we focus on a totally different equation, built once to earn continuously. We utilize an attraction marketing approach. We don't pressure people. We don't do hard sales pitches. We simply share clear, logical information with people who are looking for a solution. By introducing others to a highly regulated, cost-effective platform, something that fits easily into any household budget, you can create a stream of recurring value. Because the value is built into services that remain essential month after month, the income generated is naturally recurring. You do the work once to set up the connection, and the system manages the rest. This is exactly why we can talk about 124 months of consistency. It's not because of magic. It's because of logic, structure, and compliance. Our system operates fully within the highest standards of regulatory frameworks. We don't make wild income promises because we don't have to. The track record speaks entirely for itself. If you are tired of the constant stress of linear income, if you want to know that the effort you put in today will continue to reward you years down the line, then you need to take a look at the blueprint. If what I'm saying resonates with you, if you are ready to look at a system that values stability over hype, security over risk, and logic over pressure, here's what I want you to do right now. Leave a comment below this video or send me a direct message to 082 783 5661 with the word asset. When you do, I will ensure that you get a link to download the Asset-Based Business Blueprint. This free guide will outline the exact mechanics of how you can build a sustainable stream of recurring income, starting exactly where you are right now, without disrupting your current career or business. Again, that link is www.lynettebadenhorst.com/asset. Go ahead and type asset in the comments section right now. And while you are doing that, let me give you a quick reminder that everyone who wants to deepen their financial knowledge, if you are enjoying these Freedom Friday sessions and you want practical tools to help you break free from the daily grind, make sure to visit my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery. Every single week, I share simple strategies, insights, and training to help you navigate your journey towards true independence. While you're on YouTube, make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the little notification bell so you never miss a session. Even when life gets incredibly busy, you will always have a step-by-step guidance right at your fingertips. And remember, you can always read my weekly articles and deep dives over on my blog at lynettebadenhorst.com/blogs. Please feel free to like, love, follow, and share this live broadcast with someone in your circle who needs to hear this message today. Let's spread this message of real, stable financial options. Thank you so much for spending your time with me this Freedom Friday. I truly hope that today's session has left you feeling encouraged, empowered, and ready to take a confident step towards financial future. A better financial future for you, I must say. Remember, recurring income is not just about money, it's about options. It is the gateway to real freedom, flexibility, and above all, peace of mind for you and your family. You do not have to have everything figured out today. You just need to start where you are, stay consistent, and let it grow one single step at a time. Your personal journey to financial independence always starts with a single logical decision. Make that decision for your future today. Take that action, grab your blueprint, and know that I'm right here to walk this journey together with you. Until next week, stay motivated, stay consistent, and always remember, build once and forever. Bye for now, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend.